Hello everyone, let me introduce this Tidal Stair Chandelier to you. Original design by our company's designers. Factory trial installation. It is equipped with a large ceiling lamp. The light source is mainly concentrated here. Then the lamp body is a large glass lamp composed of hanging gold and transparent glass pieces. It is suitable for installation in a spacious living room or stairwell. Golden and clear, glass floating in air. A cascade of light, graceful and fluid. Every piece crafted like a drifting leaf, shimmering glow that dances with motion, where sculpture meets illumination. Bring elegance and art into your space.